I discovered that in my description they said here, but until no, where's the video?
Wanna hear a tiger roar?
Hi
Amanda.
I cook.
What's your favorite animal?
Yeah, I found out that he has no videos at all. No, I'm not exposing someone. I just discovered this one. But he have a normal video, normal post. But he said I need 100. I mean, I don't know what 1 trillion. That's even more. That's even more. That's impossible. That's impossible. I don't know. Can you please calculate, please? But until I discovered this one, no, ignore the 7 and the 6. Ignore that one. And also, it said speed running and getting a job. But he's actually a guy. He's actually a good, but he doesn't say. He doesn't know what does it mean. Please say this. It is a description, and he's speaking squash eyes, and also this is here. What the? What? Oh no! What? What? It's not my channel. Now where was I? Here. There you go.
I saw you make up now.
What? What does it say? Oh, I saw we were garbage. Oh my god! Did he just swear? This is not my channel. Even I have a community, but I'll drive to the channel for at least one day. Oh wait. Hi everyone. The newest is this one. This is 1 day ago. And
Hi Amanda.
it's just one controlled by Catboy. And they say, yes, I cook. But why? What? And he said, I need 1 million or 1 trillion or 1 quadrillion subs. What? I don't know. I don't calculate that one. So anyway,
Hi Amanda.
this YouTuber disguising as a kid boy and into a, but why does he want guys already know that one that when you have to gain more subs means well, gain more subs means you're popular or you like it. But if you like it, you can subscribe it. But if you don't like it anymore, you can unsubscribe like this one. 2, you can click all. 2, done, and unsubscribe. Yeah, we know. And yeah. Even though it's weird, he tries his best. Here's your first subscriber. Okay. Even though he's weird, he's actually good. Respect. At least it's not brain rot. At least he's actually good at or he was not. He was dreaming a job. But I shall respect other. Subscribe.